Stay tuned to see how we make this two-tiered glass tray. To begin, you're going to remove the wicks and the stoppers from each of your wallflowers that you'll be using. It's really easy to remove. I used a pair of scissors, and you just wiggle it until it pops out. Next, you'll take your wallflowers outside and you'll spray paint them the color of your choice. I am, of course, using gold, and you will repeat this same process of spray painting your shower curtain hangers. Be careful because, as you saw, they definitely move. You'll flip them over and spray paint the other side, making sure to coat evenly. Now, to assemble your tray, you're going to take your first glass candle holder and glue a wallflower directly in the middle. You want to use a generous amount of hot glue so that it will adhere properly. Each time that you hot glue something together, give it a few minutes to fully solidify. Next, you'll hot glue one of your shower curtain holders to each of the four sides of your second glass tray. Again, you'll want to use a generous amount of glue for stability. One suggestion that I can make with doing this project is to work from the top down instead of working from the bottom up. It just adds a little bit more stability and helps each of the pieces stick together better. Next, you're going to add hot glue to the top of the first wallflower that you hot glued to the middle of your first tray. This is so that you can now attach tray number 2 to the top of the wallflower. And this is where I was talking about it comes in handy working from the top down, because adding the glue to the bottom of the top tray would have been better instead of trying to add glue to just the small head of the wallflower. It would have been more stable working from my top down. So once I got to this point, I decided that I wanted to add just a little bit more to this two-tier glass tray. So I hot glued a second wallflower to the middle of our top tray. And see where I was talking about the stability? Had I worked from the top down, I would have had a chance to add more hot glue to the bottom of that first tray to make it a little more stable, which I did after the fact. And to finish this project, I am going to take this glass candle holder and hot glue it to the top of the second wallflower. This just adds another element of design to the two-tiered glass tray. And here is the finished tray. I think it came out really well. The only other thing that I added as a design element was to color the top of the glass candle holder of the color gold. And I used my gold coloring marker that I've used in previous videos. I really like the two tiers. I like how the shower curtain rods look like little handles. And this will be a great tray to use for like your rings or your bracelets. Or you can even use the candle holder for what it's designed for. Thanks for joining me for another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's DIY. Leave me a comment about the favorite part of the two-tier glass tray this week. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it with a friend, and leave me a comment down below. DIY clubbers, I know that this is a rough time with everybody being in quarantine. Just make sure that you stay home, stay safe, and keep your head up. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day. And always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. Bye.